So, anyway, I have this starter here that came out of the, it's a John Deere Reman, and they really don't do a very good job. I want Teresa to come in here. They really don't do a very good job of remanufacturing these things.
Reman?
It says John Deere Reman. It's terrible. As you can see, the hammer strikes on the side of this thing. You see those? So we were beating the piss out of it to get it to start because something wasn't right inside, and I wanted to have it rebuilt. So I sent it in, took it in, and they're like, well, okay, we can rebuild it. You know, I said, but that's not really a John Deere. This is, they sent it out to another company, and they redid the back of it. It's just not right. It's not right. It ain't the right one. The old style ones that were Delco Remy, those are okay. I think this is some cheap Chinese knockoff. So I said, well, can I at least get it rebuild it or fix it or whatnot? And they're like, well, we can, but, you know, it's going to be expensive. I was like, well, how much is it going to cost? Well, it's going to cost something like $600 for this thing to be remanufactured. Yeah, $600. So I don't know. It turns over, but the my solenoid isn't working. So I've got this thing. I got this thing hooked up, right? I got it there, and it's just not working. It's not going to. Ooh, there it went. But it doesn't go, and you got to do that shit to it. And it sparks a lot. Oh, it's just not a good idea to do this because you could actually short stuff out and cause damage that way. But I didn't want to pay $600 for them to just tear this thing apart, replace some bush brushes and God knows what. So I tried to buy the parts. They didn't buy it. They wouldn't sell me the parts. So it has to be done by a trained, certified technician. He says, but we do have another solution to that problem if you're game for that. And I was like, well, okay, what is that? He says, well, we have starter fluid, premium starter fluid. He says, and it just seems to me like the starter fluid is low in the starter. So I don't know. I was like, well, I didn't know they had fluid in the damn starter. You ever hear of fluid being in the starter? Me neither. It's like blinker fluid, right? You know, you got something wrong, can I have blinker fluid? You go into the auto parts store. But they do. They sell this stuff. It's called starter fluid, premium starter fluid. So I haven't figured out where to put it in yet. I was thinking like right in the nose here because what happened? Did that thing just ding?
No.
Did you hear that?
I heard a ding over there, out there.
Oh, okay. So I don't know. There's no tank or reservoir or anything, so I figured I would just kind of spray the affected area because that's what they told me. He says, well, if it doesn't spin, you got to spray down the affected area, right? And because the solenoid here, that ain't working. So you might as well just spray that all down, you know. And I don't know how this is going to work. I mean, I got a pretty good idea. It should work. So this is how you fix a John Deere starter. That's how you fix a John Deere starter. You just kind of spray it down at $600. We need that. I hope it's fixed now. It should be. Should be nice and warm. But I don't know how this is going to help. Do you think that's going to help?
I don't know.
Ooh. Now, I think it might work now. What do you think? Ooh. It might. Let's see. I'll have to hook it back up, man. That starter fluid was pretty awesome.
Smells good. Barbecue.
Almost smells like deer.
Deer.
So, if I hook it up here, still got the sparks. Looks like it's gonna work. I'll be darned. I'll have to put it back in the tractor right away. Fixed.